Whoa, what's up, Jack? Wow. Is that a s'more maker? S'mores? Oh my god, that was like, had a chocolate, gray ham, and marshmallows there. And this boy had a milkshake.
That's not a milkshake, that's ice cream.
Oh my God,
You know why? It's frozen.
Oh yeah, there's a frozen milkshake ice cream.
And look.
Hey guys, are you excited to make them s'mores now?
Yes!
What about you? Are you ready? Say ready.
Ready.
Oh my god, he got being ready. Ready. Okay, let's go.
Hey guys.
Hello. I'm gonna make some s'mores today. Just give me 1 second. Heat it up this to make it burn. Not really burn. To make it melt.
You said you want to, you wanted
Oh, this one, Daniela.
burn a little
This one.
bit.
Hit this one. There you go. Oh my god. Daniel, don't push it. Dali. Where you go?
Shady's back.
Ayan.
What? Wait, it's working?
Yeah.
Make sure it doesn't burn the,
And then the chocolate.
look who's back.
Put that.
Is it done?
Perfect! Perfect s'mores. That's right. Okay. Be careful, huh?
Ah!
It's hot?
No, it's not hot, it just went on me.
It's good.
Wait, why does it feel like that?
Yeah, that's the right way.
How do you eat it?
Eat it.
There's,
Yeah, some chocolate, crackers, and the marshmallow. Wow! Daniel, you want some?
Want some?
I'll make you one, okay?
Look at the marshmallow.
Does it taste good? Oh my god, that's a real, that's a
Actually,
perfect
no, it's
one.
stretchy, I
I
think.
know. Oh, Daniela, this is yours, huh? Daddy make it for you.
Mmm.
B, you want, gusto mo? Teka lang. Oh my god.
My marshmallow fell.
Oh my god, I'm so happy you're gonna make one. The perfect. That was perfect, ate. See ya!